Nursyazween. I am a host for this forum. Aliah Maisarah is a panel 1, Nabilatussyairah is a panel 2, and Nurain and Atiqah is a panel 3. Today, we want to discuss about the issue of copyright. In this modern generation, of issue of copyright was happen because occurs lack of idea among entrepreneurs. Copyright issue is the exclusive right given to the owner of a copyright for a specific period. Copyright protection in Malaysia is governed by the Copyright Act 1987. Nowadays, many copyright issues happen in Malaysia. Is there a copyright issue in Malaysia?
Yes, there are several issues about copyright in Malaysia. One of the issues that happened recently was between Siti Khadijah, Apparel Sdn Bhd and Irani Textile and Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Both Siti Khadijah and Irani hold their own impressive ground in the Muslim fashion world in Malaysia. Recently, the court case that was brought by Siti Khadijah after claiming that Irani has stolen the design of their telecom has been decided. In the case of Siti Khadijah known as the plaintiff vs. Irani Textile as the defendant, the High Court of Malaya has decided on whether there is any copyright subsisting in telecom, which is an outfit usually worn by Muslim women during prayers.
What other issues happen between them? Does a telecom constitute a graphic work or a work of artistic craftsmanship?
In relation to the issue, the court held that two-dimensional drawings regarding the design of the plaintiff's telecom constitute a graphic work under Section 3A of the Copyright Act, and the plaintiff's telecom in itself constitute an artistic work under Section 3A of the Copyright Act. However, the court also ruled that the plaintiff did adduce any evidence to prove that the plaintiff's telecom is a work of artistic craftsmanship in Section 3C of the Copyright Act.
Copyright in any design which is capable of being registered under any written law relating to industrial design, but which has not been so registered, shall cease as soon as any article to which the design has been applied has been reproduced more than 50 times by industrial process by the owner of the copyright, or with his license, by any other person. Relying on Section 76CA, Irani Textile further argued that even if it was assumed that Siti Khadijah owned copyright in Siti Khadijah's telecom, the copyright that substituted in Siti Khadijah's telecom had ceased when more than 50 of Siti Khadijah's telecom were reproduced.
This argument was again rejected by the High Court. For a design to be registered under the industrial design, the design must fall within the definition of an industrial design and fulfill the following three elements. The land judge found that Siti Khadijah's telecom is not applied to an article by any industrial process or mean. By failing to fulfill the second element stated above, Siti Khadijah's telecom cannot constitute an industrial design. Siti Khadijah's telecom is not covered by Section 76CA as Siti Khadijah's telecom is not capable of being registered under IDA.
So, in a nutshell, we have to register our product design before launch to avoid copyright from another company's designer. If we register it, we have the right to report and claim that is our product design. For copyright issues, Siti Khadijah was not aware about copyright and they do not have knowledge of the copyright infringement.
Thank you.